We want to overdeliver. We want to overdeliver and we want you to make the most money possible. That's why we created this pro version for you. In this pro version you get 1. The ability to create messenger follow-up sequences. 2. Our incredible website chat widget for high lead capture conversions. 3. The brand new send to messenger opt-in feature. 4. Our brand new Checkbox plugin. 5. And the messenger code generator. Messenger follow-up sequence. Messenger follow-up sequence are a series of messages that are sent out on a schedule. They're also called automated or drip campaigns. You create a package of messages that are sent at strategic times to accomplish a specific goal, e.g., onboarding, lead nurturing, from first contact to raving fan, follow-up survey, etc. Sequences allow you to create multiple touch points to engage with subscribers, build trust and deliver value by telling a story, send out relevant information, and share examples of how you can help, allowing you to 100% automate and scale your messenger bot marketing. You could use this for follow-ups, surveys, lead nurturing or onboarding. It allows you to create multiple touch points with subscribers to build trust and deliver value. You'll be able to create unlimited follow-up sequences with this pro version. You also get reports. You can assign subscribers to a specific sequence, set triggers based on specific actions. It's awesome. And remember, you get 100% inbox delivery, 98% open rate, and nurtured leads are 47% more likely to buy. Wow! Website chat widget. Add Facebook Messenger chat widget on your website. Chat on a website can increase conversion rates up to 65%. People prefer chat to email and phone contacts to get quick answers to their questions. On-site chat powered by SociCake Facebook Messenger. Automation is better than the regular live chat, 24/7 instant response. You can connect it with one of your page bot or bot template to answer questions instantly with no wait time for customers. Cheaper than live staff. If you don't have a support team working around the clock to reply to customer questions, build a messenger bot to power your messenger chat widget and answer basic facts. Always mobile friendly for users. Unlike live chat interfaces, Facebook Messenger chat is always mobile friendly. Continue conversation with Messenger chat, though. You can start a conversation on desktop and then continue it on your mobile device with Messenger at a later date or time. With other live chat platforms, once the customer leaves, you cannot continue the chat seamlessly. And eligible for future nurturing interactions in Facebook Messenger chat become leads to nurture over a lifetime. You can add them to drip campaigns or send instant promo blasts straight to their messenger inbox. The messenger code generator. User profiling. You can go to their Facebook profile and find out more about the lead and engage well with the lead. This hack has been very useful for me with selling my high-ticket products. So here are the 10x benefits you are receiving today for 10x faster results. 1. The ability to create messenger follow-up sequences. 2. Our incredible website chat widget for high lead capture conversions. 3. The brand new send to messenger opt-in feature. 4. Our brand new Checkbox plugin. 5. And the messenger code generator.